Hello dear students, in today's class we are going to learn about mathematics in daily life. Already I taught this lesson, but let us revise once again. See here I am solving some of the examples from your My Practice Time 1. And the first question is find the profit. Then what is this profit? See here, profit means, I will take here one example. First one is its cost price is 659 rupees. Okay, cost price is 655 rupees and selling price is okay, selling price is 734 rupees. Okay, 734 rupees. Then what is its profit? Okay, so how you come to know? Here we are going to find the profit. See here, cost price. Cost price means whatever the amount you are paying at the first time. For example, now you are going to shop and purchasing one pen for 10 rupees. That is its cost price. And if your friend asks to you and if you are selling that to other price, for example, if you brought 10 rupees and you are selling for 12 rupees, whatever you are first taking no from the shop, that is cost price, and after that again you are selling no, that is selling price. See here, the cost price is 10 rupees and selling price is 12 rupees. You are getting here 2 rupees extra. It means you are getting here 2 rupees profit. Here also the same example is there. The cost price is 659 rupees. For example, you take it as a watch. You have purchased one watch for 659 rupees and you are selling this for 734 rupees. So for that you need to know the formula. So what is the formula? The formula is profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Selling price minus cost price. What is its selling price here? 734 rupees and the cost price is 659 rupees. By subtracting you will get the profit of that watch. So what is their here selling price? 734 rupees. If you don't know horizontal subtraction, you can do vertical also. 734 rupees minus 659 rupees. Now you have to subtract. See here, 4 minus 9 is not possible. Take here, carry, it becomes 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. 14 minus 9 is 5. Let us, next you have to take the next digit. 3 is there. Again you take here carry, it becomes 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. So 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then how much I got profit here? The profit is equal to 75 rupees. I hope you are getting my point. See here, here you know this formula. You have to know this formula. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Subtract and you will get the profit of that thing. Next, I will take here one more example. I will take here, see here, I will take here cost price is 1134 rupees and the selling price is 1314 rupees 75 paisa. 3014 rupees 75 paisa. For example, you take it as a fan. Okay, fan. One person has purchased a fan for 1134 rupees and after that he sold it for 1314 rupees 75 paisa. Then see here how to do this. What is the formula? Profit is equal to, for each question you have to write the formula compulsory. Don't write directly answers. Profit is equal to SP. SP means selling price minus cost price. So selling price how much is there here? 1314 rupees 75 paise minus 1134 rupees 00 paisa. Next take here, 5 minus 0 is 5, 7 minus 0 is 7. After that you have to give here point. 4 minus 4 is 0. Next see here, 1 minus 3 is not possible. So you have to take it as a carry. 11 minus 3 is 8. Okay. Next 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So its answer is 180 rupees 75 paise. By selling one fan, he has got profit of 180 rupees 75 paise. I hope you are getting my point. It's easy. By this way you have to find the profit, and how to find the cost, how to find the loss. The next question is how to find the loss. Here also you have to use one more formula how to find the loss. And first I will take here cost price is equal to, cost price is how much here, 56 rupees 50 paisa, and selling price is, selling price is equal to 45 rupees 50 paise. See here you are not getting a profit, here you are getting a loss. Then what is the formula? Loss is equal to, what is the formula? CP minus SP. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. See here, cost price how much is there? 56 rupees 50 paise minus 45 rupees 50 paise. I hope you are getting my point. See here, to find profit the formula is different, and to find loss the formula is different. CP minus SP means cost price minus selling price. Cost price means it's original, whatever you are getting in the shop, no, the same price is there, no. Cost price, selling price means you are selling them to other person for other cost. So see here, the simple subtraction is there. 0 minus 0 is 0, 5 minus 5 is 0, and again you keep here point. 6 minus 5 is 1, 5 minus 4 is 1. So after selling this item, he gets 11 rupees loss. Okay, so this is the loss. Here their profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, but here loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Here in your my practice time 5 questions are there. Okay, they have given in a box, but for each example you have to follow these steps. Don't solve directly answers. So I will take here one more example, and that is 1000, cost price is 1350 rupees 50 paise, and selling price is 1289 rupees 0 paise. Okay, so this is the cost of the thing. First he has purchased for 1350 rupees, and afterwards he sold it for 1289, and he got here loss. Okay, so what is the formula? Loss is equal to SCP minus SP. So what is their CP? CP is 1350 rupees 50 paise, and selling price is 1289 rupees. Okay, so see what to do here. Here you have to subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0, 5 minus 0 is 5. After that you keep here point. 0 minus 9 possible? No, most of the students are writing directly their 9. It's wrong. For that you need to take here comma, carry. 10 minus 9 is 1. 5 minus 8 is not possible. Again you take carry. 15 minus 8 is how much here? 15 minus 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9, means it is 6. Okay, 3 minus 3 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. So here you got 61 rupees 55 paisa loss. See here, this type you have to find the loss of the thing. Okay, see here in your textbook, my practice time 1, find the profit, find the cost. So this type 5 examples are there, page number 115. Very important examples. Try to solve this kind of examples. Okay, in next class I will discuss how to calculate the cost price of the thing. I hope this class is clear to you, and after watching this video, solve the examples and send homework to me. Okay, thank you.